Hello students.
Hi teacher.
Good morning students.
Good morning teacher.
How are you all?
I am fine, thank you. How are you teacher?
I am also good. Okay, what are you doing boys?
We are doing group discussion.
What is the topic of group discussion?
The miller is and donkey.
Okay. Rishivardhan, what are you doing? What are you writing?
Names of the classmates.
First column, name of the classmate. Which classmate name you have written?
Sridhan.
Okay. Whose advice did he follow at home?
Tirupati.
His father name is Tirupati. Whose advice follow at school?
Venala teacher.
Okay, nice. Okay, do. Okay, Varshini, what are you doing?
Name of the classmate.
Which classmate name?
Srinita.
Okay, whose advice follow at home? She?
What she mother?
Her mother name what?
Geeta.
Okay, whose advice she follow at school?
Geeta. Venala teacher.
Okay,